In a significant political shift ahead of the TD-ADC elections, the BJP faced a notable desertion in Damchara Kajuchara TD-ADC constituency on Saturday. During a joining ceremony, 77 voters from 30 families officially severed ties with the Saffron Party to join the Tipra Motha Party. The new members were formally welcomed into the party fold by Damchara Kajuchara TD-ADC constituency candidate Sri Dhirendra Debarma, Sub-Zonal Chairman Lucy Hallam, Working President Jacob Hallam and Surajit Mok. The leaders greeted the defectors with party flags, marking their transition in a public show of strength. Speaking at the event, the newly joined members cited their trust in the Tipra Motha's Thansa ideology and pledging to advocate for the rights and long-term welfare of indigenous people.
Chini Shashi Kumar Deborman in Netrite, Tai Chini Ubangma, BJP ni Kormokota Rongni Netrite, Jungtine Ozagawa, Chini Kosra Bazaro, Chikonsa Bazar Shabawo, Tiris Poribani, 77 Putar, Borokini, BJP Yakaroi, Bubagrane Tansani Mario Yapriseka, Tai Chungtino Ozagawa, Chini Sub-Zonal Chairman Juma Lucy Hallam, Chini Working President Jacob Hallam, Tai Chini Surajit Mok, Central ni Chini YTF ni Tai Chini Luhang Hallam ni, Chung Jotona Miliway, Chung Borok no Lam Sogoi Nahaka, Buagra ni Mumbai, Tai Borok Sumai Tanka, Chung Tinin Simi, Bubagra ni Tansani Lamo, Chung Yapri Senai, Chung Krakle Basalai Nai, Agami Dino, Chung Chini Future, Chini next generation, Tai Hani Bagoi Chungbo, Andolon Kainai Hinai, Borok Tini Pogreka, Hambai. Ramsogo. Long live.
Pure Report, Jenny Corner.